Hi, welcome to Healthy Living. I'm Dr. Tony Hampton, and today we're going to learn about how to fight hypertension naturally. When we think about hypertension, most people think about avoiding sodium or salt, but the reality is the reason why we have a lot of problems with our blood vessels that cause hypertension is because of inflammation. Today I'm going to show you how to make an anti-inflammatory smoothie so you can reduce the inflammation in your body and therefore reduce your risk for hypertension. We're going to start with a base of ice. The first protein is going to be our chia seeds, and the reason why I like the chia seeds is because they're packed with energy. In fact, the Mayans used this form of protein to survive a whole year just on chia seeds alone, which is amazing. Our second source of protein is our hemp seeds, and what I love about hemp seeds, not only does it have a lot of protein, it also has omega-3. Why do we like omega-3? Because omega-3 is actually part of what helps your blood vessels more elastic, and it's really important for heart health, so we really want to add omega-3 wherever we can. So let's go ahead and add a tablespoon of hemp seed as well. So now we want to add another important ingredient, which is fat. Again, fat is anti-inflammatory. You want to have a low-carb, high-fat diet. And my favorite fat is MCT oil, which is from concentrated coconut oil. You want to be careful because if you're not accustomed to MCT oil, you want to start really low. If you're just getting started, you may want to do a teaspoon because it will allow you to be more regular and make you want to go to the bathroom. Next source of fat is avocado. Squeeze out our avocado and add it to our smoothie. And we also have our other vegetables, and that starts with our parsley. We're going to add a handful of spinach. It's a great anti-inflammatory, and it has vitamin K. And again, inflammation makes your blood vessels stiff, and that stiffness leads to blood vessels that are not elastic. They don't expand well, which actually makes your pressure higher. It also can lead to little micro trauma or damage to the lining of your blood vessel, and that damage, when you try to repair it, can actually lead to plaque formation. So now you have plaques and you have stiff arteries, and that is a real big risk for heart disease if you have hypertension. And we also want to add some cucumbers. Cucumbers are another great vegetable that's anti-inflammatory and has a lot of water, so it adds a lot of moisture. And we're going to squeeze in lemon. You may be asking, how is this going to taste good? Well, we have our little friend stevia from the stevia plant. It's amazing because it has no carbs, doesn't raise your sugar at all, and it actually can help regulate your blood sugar. Who'd have known? So stevia is a great way to add a little sugary flavor without adding any sugar. So it looks like our smoothie has blended really nicely. I had to add a little water just to get it to the right consistency, so you kind of can adjust depending on the type of thickness you're looking for. And let's take a little taste. It's actually not bad at all. It's been fun to show you how to make an anti-inflammatory smoothie. I encourage each and every one of you to use nutrition as your path to a healthier life. And if you do that, you'll find yourself taking less medicine, if any medicine at all.